Yo, what up, everyone? CryptoMarxist right here coming at you with another banger video. So this one right here is about the liquidity between PawSwap and PawZone. So obviously, you guys know I've been making the PawZone videos because I believe when it comes to the Paw tokens, PawZone is the real one, and I believe that the Paw swap situation was a group of people trying to commandeer and get first movers action in the crypto space against the Shiba Inu ecosystem and some of the project leads. So that being said, if you want more Shibarium, more Shiba Inu news, go ahead and hit that sub. Go ahead and hit that like. Leave a comment on the bottom. As you guys can see on the question, it says, which project is more likely to rug? All right, so that's the question. Which project is more likely to rug? PawZone or PawSwap? All right, so let's come over here to the PawZone chart. And I just wanted to point something out. Look at the liquidity. The liquidity of PawZone, even though it's at $12.12 million, it's at $1.93 million liquidity. And we know it was properly locked, SIG, multi-SIG wallets, etc. So that being said, it's at 1.93, almost $2 million. All right. So comparing that to, and what's the volume? The volume is $666,000. All right. So now checking Paw Swap, that's only at 1.31 million, even though it says market cap at 43 million. The market cap is at 43 million, but the total liquidity is 1.3 million. Think about that. Anybody holding, let's say $700,000, $750,000 in this token, if they sell off, that 43 million would go to 20 or below 20 million type situation. In other words, the volatility is crazy in that. So the stability definitely not there. Even though they have 9,045 holders, all right, compared to what's only 3,045, 3,450 holders for PawZone. So checking PawZone, strong chart. Look at this chart right here. So the trend, in fact, it looks like it's about to break that trend, that downward trend. It's been holding steady, actually. Okay, so you expect anything that has such a large pump like this one had at the beginning. Look at that, just. But it looks like it's actually stabilizing. It looks like this was the low right here because here, let's go to a different chart real quick. So I like the 15. Let's come over here real quick. All right, let's bring this over here. All right. So yeah, you look, you can clearly see right here. We got we got some bullish movement. We have this flag right here. Actually, this was a bullish flag. You see, all the previous ones were bearish flags. This is actually a bullish flag coming from this bottom right here up. It was higher, boom, down, and as you can see, it's actually still a little higher than it was on these lows right here when it was at 22, about 22, 22.79. Because currently it's at 40, 24.25. Think about that. And we're holding what this right here is another resistance line. I'm thinking it bounced off of this support basically. You see this support right here, which was previous resistance down here for a little bit. Boom, broke through it, broke through that, actually broke through that wall as well. That ceiling came back down, was riding the support, came back down, broke below the support, broke above it, hit the trend line a couple times. Look at this trend line right here. Hit the spiked up, boom, back down. Okay, spike, boom, boom. And honestly, I'm expecting if this continues, I'm thinking it's gonna probably maintain this level. At most, come down to the support and keep swinging back up. So that's what I'm thinking. So this right here was mostly about the liquidity between the two projects. One looks stable at 1.93 million. The other one was at less, even though the market cap was more. One of them's coming from JD Updates, which is a Shibarium uh, collaborator who's been vetted by Satoshi and the community over these years. And the other is just a project that's a swap, even though we know that Shiba Swap is the official swap of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So that being said, just a quick little sum for you guys, because I know I've been lacking. I've been trying to hit you guys every day with something, but technical difficulties and XYZ. But yeah, that being said, go ahead and hit that sub, hit a like, leave a comment. Which project do you think is more likely to rug given these stats? And yeah, without any further ado, CryptoMarxist, aka Bone Army, like I like to say, I'm Bone Army, you're Bone Army, we are Bone Army, and I'm out.